service, telling you look perfect tonight. I'm out, I'm out. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh. Oh, yeah. All right. Your boy Jay again.
It's amazing how you knock me off my feet.
Yeah.
See, every time you come around me, I get bleeding. Nobody ever made me feel this way. Oh, baby, see, you kiss my lips and then you take my breath away. So, I wanna know. You can sing along with me if you want me. Oh, see, I like to know.
I like to know.
See, I want to know.
I like to know
What makes you cry?
so I can be the one who always
Brother Prince,
makes
this
smile.
take it away.
Girl, you never understood what you are with. Oh, yeah, yeah. And you never took the time to make it work. Baby, I'm the kind of man who shows consent. Yes, I do. In any way that I can please you, let me learn. So, no, I wanna know.
I wanna know what takes you on.
I wanna know.
So I can be
I like to know. Yeah.
like to know what makes you cry.
So
I can be the one.
your boy Jay again.
Makes you smile. Hey, tell me what I've gotta do to please you.
Baby, anything you say,
Sing
I'll
along
do.
with me. 'Cause I'm only one who makes you happy. From the bottom of my heart, you can do it more.
Tell me what I've gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say, I'll do.
'Cause
I'm only one who makes you happy.
happy. From the bottom of my heart, take it away.
I wish that I could take a journey through your mind.
Baby.
All right. Find the emotion that you always try to hide, baby. I do believe that there's a love you want to share. Oh, no, no, no. I'll take good care of you, lady. Have no fear. So, no, I wanna know.
Know what takes you on. Yeah.
Now I wanna know.
So I can be
I like to know, yeah.
like to know what
Say
makes
down,
you
say
cry.
down. So
So I can be the one who always makes you smile. Thank you.
take it down, 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 take it
You're
down.
my darling. You're my man.
Yeah.
Where's distraction? Remember, 'cause you're
You're my
my
downfall.
downfall.
You're my beauty.
Oh yeah.
Where's this rapture?
Oh.
Give up. T-Bang, take it down. Hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. umava bwanji baby ukakhala ndine baby tumazima ndikwira baby nthawi zonse ukatalikira bimakwidwa ndi maganizo bimasowa chithandizo idziwa bwanji za mtima wako woti udziwa wekha ukakhala ndi anzako umawauza njani zaine pali zambiri ndimafuna ndiladziwa umamva bwanji baby umaganiza njani baby umamva bwanji baby ndiuze ndidziwe umamva bwanji baby umaganiza njani baby umamva bwanji baby ndiuze ndidziwe ndidziwe muntima mwako ndine wodi ndimakukwanira ukakhala kumbali wodi umandinyadira wopeza unandidziwa udapatsidwa somwayi wosanga ungasankhe ine chekira stuck on you.
Baby, grab you stay. Yeah.
You guys, huh?
Thank you. Let's check your head. Just. Oh, no, 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 no. Na, 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 na. I used to pray for the girl like you, you're one and only. I used to pray for the times like this, you're my testimony. And it's a calendar coffee, baby. I know you live malele, malele, malele.
Kalenani, baby tizi
Baby, teasy, come down.
Chesenani, kani tizi
Honey, teasy, come down.
Yelenani, easy kalandi coffee, baby.
I know she live malele,
Malele,
oh,
malele, malele,
malele, malele,
malele, malele.
malele.
She wanna shoot it, malele, 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 malele,
Malele, malele, malele, malele, malele, malele, malele, malele, malele.
she wanna shoot it, malele.
Malele, malele.
Boy, there again.
Uinenane, uimenane. When I saw you, I know I've been searching for you. To be my darling until we die, baby. Ineniga kondra,
You're the reason why.
kalenane, baby titi kondara. Chesenane, ngani tisi kawana. Ukalenane, niti kalandi konfi, baby. Chibana chima,
Take it down, 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 take it down. I become one person, but my happiness still be my own. Everybody get thrown, no be say your own. passing my home. Na me where they clean on the house. Na me where they wash on the car. Na me where they cook on the. Na me where they wash on the clothes. Na me where they work for your show. Na me where they cook on the. Yeah. I become one person, but my happiness still be my home. Everybody get thrown on this your own, passing my home.
Kamahi inendigo funa wo kazi wa chingoni kati ya mama inendigo funa thank you
Kazi wa chingoni.
One more time, show some love to Miss Zati Band. I know you can do way much more better than that. And one more time, another round of applause for them, please. Thank you very much, and we are back, and I'm glad that you have already done the most as to what was supposed to happen this evening, because food is the most important element of what was supposed to happen this evening. So glad to have you back. How are you feeling this evening? One more time. Awesome. Okay. All right. So we are still airing live on Mibawa Television as well as streaming on Facebook page Times 360 Malawi. For those that are just joining us right now, welcome to Sunbelt and Coppola in Mangochi, where we are having the Institute of Marketing in Malawi. This is the awards ceremony happening right after we had a 2 days conference.
Yes, indeed, as we celebrate the trailblazers, and of course those are shaping perception and creating value with every story that you tell, and of course the interactions that you have with your clients as well. So yeah, today's a big night, and very soon we will start announcing the big winners from the 23 categories to later follow the President's Awards.
A big mention should surely go out to all our sponsors who have made it possible for us to have this award ceremony as well as the 2 days conference. So let's take our time, let's put our hands together for all the sponsors that have made it possible so that we come out this evening. Talking about 24 categories, I don't want to waste too much of your time because I know it has already been too overwhelming. I mean, the elective conference as well. Ushering you in the new president, the vice president, Mr. Trika. How you doing this evening? Yeah. Let's give a big hand to the vice president of IMN. But at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, allow us to invite forth the outgoing president, Ms. Isabel Kachinjika, for her speech. Big hand for her, please.
The President-elect, Mr. George Damson, incoming and outgoing members of the Council of the Institute of Marketing in Malawi, the CEO of the Zambia Institute of Marketing in Malawi, Ms. Lute Mwelo, our panel of judges this evening, esteemed nominees tonight, our speakers during our conference, our viewers on Mibawa Television and Times 360, and all of you lovely people in the room, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to the 4th Institute of Marketing in Malawi Marketing Awards. You're most welcome. I would like to acknowledge a few people and organizations before I start my address. First of all, thank you to the committee for coming up with such a complicated dress theme. I mean, we really had to innovate in order to elevate to the level of what you put across as the Met Gala theme. And I think people have really pulled it off. I mean, hi, TS. So yes, you guys look amazing tonight. So the committee, you've done an excellent job. It hasn't been easy running up and down, including the conference. So the committee was led by our president-elect and a couple of other members. If you can just stand up wherever you are, the committee members. Let's give them a round of applause for the hard work. I would also want to recognize all the nominees. This year we had so many entries, and that shows that you guys aren't sleeping out there. You're constantly innovating in order to elevate. So I think you should also give yourselves a big round of applause. And without our sponsors, none of this would be happening. I think you guys really pulled us through. It was amazing. Sometimes you'd actually be surprised that, wow, another sponsor's coming in, and we don't take that for granted. I'm not going to mention each and every one of you, but we've been mentioning you throughout the conference, and we really appreciate that support because we've been able to pull off a very exciting conference this year and an amazing award ceremony as well. I would also want to recognize our panel of judges this evening. I bet all the nominees have been wondering who is sealing our fate tonight. Yeah, so we tend to like to keep it a bit quiet in case you try to ambush them or anything, but today we will reveal the secret. So in absentia, the chief judge is Dr. Enwell Kadango. So unfortunately, he had a personal issue to attend to, so he won't be with us tonight, but he has delegated his power to the deputy chief judge, who is Taffy Gotora. Taffy, I know people know you, but you can just stand and wave to the crowd so that people can see you. So she's our deputy chief judge tonight. We also have Mr. Stephen Kapoloma from MRA, if you can just wave to the people. We have Tanya Chireshe, if you can stand and wave. And in absentia, we have Mr. Archibald Mwenefombo from Mubas. So he is not with us tonight, but he's also part of the judging panel. So the judges, you did an amazing job. I know there were so many entries and you had to do such a thorough job making sure that you do due diligence and make sure that we emerge with the rightful winners tonight. So for all your time and effort, we're truly grateful. And we look forward to seeing what your final decision was. We don't like to get involved in the process, but we like to be surprised with the crowd. And this year, we did something a little bit different. Normally, we just leave it to the judges, but this time around, we came up with the People's Brand, which was voted for by the public. So anybody could participate. Anybody in Malawi was able to vote, and the entries were amazing. I think we got over 2,000 entries that came in, people sharing their opinion on who they feel the best brand is in Malawi. So that's another exciting spin. And I know the people who are watching online and on TV, you're just eager to see whether your voice is being represented tonight. So that's something we're going to look forward to seeing later in the evening. I think I would want to speak a bit on the relevance of the awards. Over the past couple of days, we've been talking about innovating to elevate. And I think every day we're all working hard to come up with new ideas to solve solutions for our clients, for our companies, so that we can level up the game. And tonight we're here to recognize that effort because you've worked hard throughout the year and you deserve to be acknowledged for the work that you've done. But I would also want to say that not everybody can end up winning, but I think just the mere fact that you entered and had good stuff to submit, because the fact that you actually came up in the nominee list means that you had something credible, you know? So even if you don't win tonight, you're still amazing. You put in the effort, and it's just a matter of upping the game, continuing to innovate, to push the barriers, and to come up with new stuff next year. So I think on that note, people are looking at me like, okay, we are here to see what we've won. So once again, I just welcome you to the awards tonight, and I think it's going to be so amazing. A big congratulations in advance to all of you who are going to win tonight. And for those who will not walk away with anything, please remember that in my eyes anyway, you are winners because you had something to submit. And we still celebrate you. So give yourselves a round of applause and enjoy the rest of the evening.
There you go, words coming through from the Honorable President. One more time, a round of applause for her, please.
Well, speaking about the judges, we would now like to hear from the deputy judge who will speak on behalf of everyone tonight, and that is Ms. Taffy Gotora from Zimbabwe Institute of Marketing. Please give her a warm welcome as she comes up to the podium.
Good evening, Manero Akanaka. I bring greetings from Zimbabwe. Outgoing President, President-elect, CEO of the Zambia Institute of Marketing, esteemed marketers, guests, and those that are following on the IMM page, Facebook Live, those that are tuned in to Mibawa TV, those that are following Times 360 Facebook Live, a warm evening to you. It is an honor to gather here tonight to celebrate the remarkable achievements in marketing. The level of innovation and creativity that was showcased in this year's entries was totally astounding, and this is me speaking from an outsider looking in. The quality of work was impressive, and just the number of entries as well. Our marketing industry is growing, and your dedication to pushing boundaries inspires us all. So as we continue to strive for excellence, let's just remember the importance of rigorous and comprehensive submissions to ensure a fair and accurate evaluation. The thing with submissions is we want you to show us, not tell us. So writing a paragraph and there is no picture of the dashboard of the metrics, or there's no picture of at least the billboard on the highway, we wanted to see. So it's better to over-communicate. It's better for you to present more than enough evidence, a lot of evidence, than to under-submit, okay? To the people that have made it as finalists, your hard work and dedication have brought you to this stage. Each of you has made a significant contribution to the marketing landscape. And then to our esteemed judges, the Chief Judge, Dr. Eno Kadambo, Mr. Archie Mwenefumbo, Ms. Tanya Chireshe, who was the secretary and did most of the work, and Mr. Stephen Kapoloma, that hours that you put in during the sleepless nights we spent trying to work around different time zones when some of the judges were traveling or were elsewhere. I want to just give you time, and I'm going to ask, I have 10 minutes, so I'm going to ask my fellow judges to join me and just give you some of what they perceived and their advice for you for next year. So please come and join me on stage. On the note, I also want to say to those that have not made it as finalists, as Jay-Z said at the Grammys, keep showing up. If you don't make it this year, show up in 2025 and make it work. Communicate, make sure you've got evidence for everywhere where you flighted your ad and your campaign. So I'll just I'll pass on the mic to Judge Stephen.
Good evening, fellow marketers. It is a privilege to stand in front of you this evening to share with you the experiences that I encountered when I was doing the judging. And of course, it is a mix of what my colleagues also shared with me. First, I would like to acknowledge the voluminous work that you are doing, which showcased the quality, creativity that you provided. But there are areas that we need to recognize. The ones that have performed wonderfully, they have succeeded in making sure that they are very clear in their objectives. So if you are putting a print advert, if it's a commercial, if it's a social media campaign, what was exactly your objectives? And are those objectives measurable? So those that will have carried the day this evening, they have succeeded in that particular aspect. There are those that succeeded perhaps in creativity, but we don't know where this creativity was taking them to. So we do appreciate that this is very nice, top notch. But what was its goal? So you find that if you are not winning, but your product is top notch, you know the reason. Next time, slot in that paragraph explaining the objectives and how you measure it. Next is the use of templates. Templates are marvelous, but when you overuse them, you kill creativity. Because there were times when you see that the objective of a print ad, the objective of a social media campaign, and the objective of a commercial are nothing but one. And then you tend to wonder what exactly was the purpose of this campaign, of this print ad, of this commercial. So it is important to magnify what all these components of your activities achieved, but make sure that you are able to point out what each particular element of your campaign, in this case, a print ad or a social media campaign, managed to achieve. These are some of the experiences that we faced. Once again, congratulations to those that were able to take us through the journey from objectives to how they were able to execute the campaigns, to the results, and to the impact that that kind of a campaign will do. We want you to continue, and we want all of us to learn from you so that next time we can do much better. Once again, thank you very, very much for listening.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, esteemed marketers. It's been such an honor to be able to be a judge this year. As they have mentioned earlier, this is a record-breaking year. We've never had this many submissions in the history of the awards. So I'd like to give everyone their flowers. Can you clap for yourselves? The industry is working. The industry is thriving. And it's been so exciting to see your submissions. I've been able to see so much creativity that came in, and like Deputy Chief Judge Taffy said, it's quality work. It's able to stand on a world scale. It's able to compete on an international scale. So that has been so inspiring. It's made me so proud to be a marketer. So thank you so much for making our job exciting. Thank you for making it tough. It was so difficult. I cannot even begin to let you know how competitive this judging process was. And it is really a testament to all the hard work and all the hours you have put in and the creativity that has gone in. Continue to innovate, continue to elevate, and we can't wait to see what happens in the years to come as well for the industry. And once again, congratulations to the winners tonight, congratulations to the nominees, and congratulations to all of you as marketers. Please continue to participate and please continue to compete on such a high level. Thank you.
Thank you, judges. At this point, I'm going to ask our auditor, Mr. Alfred Ngulube. He's the audit partner at our Wayne Consulting Group. We wanted to make sure that the process that we undertook was above board and was transparent as possible. So an audit firm was engaged. If you can please come and join us and just maybe share the audit process with the marketers. Thank you, sir.
Good evening. My name is Alfred Ngulube from Owen Consulting Group, a firm of chartered accountants. We are also the auditors for the institute. We were engaged to review the results, and our review was conducted in accordance with international standards on review engagements. Based on our review, nothing has come to our attention that causes us to believe that the results does not reflect the judgments of a panel of independent judges. Thank you.
So finally, as we take our seats, once again, I would like to congratulate each and every one of the winners. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much for such beautiful as well as kind words. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, this is the time that you've been waiting for, the sole reason why you had to travel all the way from wherever you're coming from to be a part of this. And a few of but we're super delighted that you could make it this evening. As she has clearly stipulated, this was no competition. We're here to celebrate marketing excellence, and that's basically what we're going to do with each and every award that we're going to give away. So we want to do it the marketing way. Let's celebrate that particular person. Let's go crazy. Let's act like we have lost our minds. Would like to give them a feel of how it always is like to be a part of such an amazing event.
Indeed, and before we get to acting like we've lost our minds, there's a short video that has been prepared about the awards themselves. So I'm going to ask that you turn your focus to the screens and let's have a look together.
The Institute of Marketing in Malawi Excellency Awards 2024. Tonight, we honor those who dared to go beyond limits, transforming ideas into impact and turning brands into legacies. 24 categories, 24 moments where excellence meets destiny. And now, prepare yourselves as we unveil the best of the best across 24 extraordinary categories. Who will rise to the occasion? Who will stand at the pinnacle of marketing excellence? The moment of truth begins now. Ladies and gentlemen, the IMM Excellency Awards 2024 starts here.
Are you ready for the awards, ladies and gentlemen? Now, for Innovative Idea of the Year, this award recognizes the innovative development of a new product or service. It shows how a customer-centric approach led to an outstanding value proposition, setting you apart from the competition and mutually benefiting your business and customers. Presenting this award is Maxwell Ngambi, and here are the nominees.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the only category that is directly related to the theme this year, Innovate to Elevate. Just for a few moments, you can stand up. As I announce, the winner of Innovative Idea of the Year is TNM Agulu.
One more time, show some love to TNM Agulu. And congratulations, TNM.
Congratulations to TNM. Our next award is for Social Media Campaign of the Year. This award recognizes the use of social media to engage in tangible interactions with an audience, whether that be paid or organic, and of course shows how your social media activity has made a measurable impact on your business. To present this award is Mr. George Majega, CEO for National Food Reserve Agency. And the nominees are our guest speaker, Mr. Nkuna, is here on behalf of Mr. George Majega to announce the winner.
Good evening, colleagues. Thank you so much for being here. Good evening. I'm here to announce the winner. I'm here to announce the winner of this category. Okay. Social media campaign pastel of the year goes to Castell, your cider.
Congratulations, Team Castell.
Hey yo, you want to be a superstar? Dial 31414 right now.
All right, we're still covering general categories this evening. And their next award is that of People's Brand of the Year, which has been voted by the people. Now with this one, brands make impressions on people. This award will afford the public an opportunity, which it already has, to vote for the brand they feel has made the most memorable impression in their minds and hearts throughout the year. The fact that people will vote for their desired brands means that the votes will be a true reflection of which brands are resonating with the people more, be it because of the experiences they offer customers, the quality of the service or product, etc. Now presenting this award this particular evening is Mr. Daniel Nwira, and the nominees are
The year.
And my favorite part is the nominees are, because the nominees were endless and people have spoken, so the winner.
And of course, congratulations to FCB for scooping this award.
Our next award is for Brand Malawi Initiative of the Year. Tourism is one of the pillars of the Malawi 2063, and this category rewards and recognizes excellence in the tourism sector by showcasing the brand that helped in promoting Malawi and impacting the nation. Category is of course open for both private and public sector. To present this award is Ms. Nicole Ngulue, and the nominees are Bank!
Congratulations, FDH Bank. By the way, the attire you're wearing is giving Tegrin vibes. It's all good. Still in the group categories, and the next award rather is Advertising Agency of the Year. This award recognizes the agency that has had an unrivaled year, showcased its successes across strategy, insight, and creativeness, providing how you have delivered marketing excellence for your clients outshine your competitors, and set new standards for the future. Presenting this award this particular evening is the incoming Vice President, IMM, Mr. Tukari Chiba, and the nominees are
Advertising Agency of the Year. And the nominees are Simply Black, FD Communications, Corporate Graphics.
Advertising Agency of the Year. And the winner is Simply Black.
But please put your hands together for either Lute or Lute Muero. A big round, please. And the nominees are
The year. And the nominees are Stella.
Please, Marketer of the Year. And the award goes out to...
I can't seem to get it open.
Then we'll take a break. We'll take a break. We'll call Sports Council to come through for nearly 5 minutes to give in their presentation. Let's give a round of applause to Sports Council as they're coming through to take the stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, my name is Limban Cliff Matola. Recognize and celebrate our celebrities in the sport world. There will be several categories. I don't want to belabor the point, but you will know them very soon. You just watch your screens, check your papers, check your digital handles so that we are together. The venue is BICC on 28th February 2025. Mark your calendars. So tonight, it was just to inform you, marketers, we'll be talking. That's why I'm here. I'm with my colleague Faith. Faith, just stand where you are. Yeah, that's Faith. We're here. We'll discuss this. We'll come to your offices. And let's excite Malawi. Malawi Sport Awards is about Malawi, celebrating the celebrities that entertain us, who entertain us in the business of sport. So let's meet at BICC in Lilongwe. I say Friday, 28th February 2025. Thank you very much.
Well, as you know, for a day like today to happen, for the conference to happen, we need partners. And of course, they happen to be some of those partners that came in to sponsor as well. Now, as I mentioned earlier on, we're now going to be looking at Marketer of the Year. The suspense wasn't too long, so I'm sure we're all good on that one. For Marketer of the Year, this award seeks to celebrate individuals who understand the art and science of marketing and have the business and brand at heart, and of course, who leverage their skills to grow these elements, showing how they have contributed towards sustainable business growth and delivering standout innovation and creativity. To give this award is President-elect George Damson, and the nominees are...
Shouts. and I'm holding the fate of your shouts in my hands. The drum rolls for this were already done, so I'll get straight to the Marketer of the Year 2024 with a bigger drum roll for Levi Mkunika FDS Band.
Iseseo nise alume ngayo waona. Iseseo nise alume ngayo waona manje. Yapata alira leo. Iseseo nise alume ngayo waona. Iseseo nise alume ngayo waona manje. Yapata alira I told you once and I told you twice. You shouldn't believe what I
Well, thank you very much, Mr. DJ. And congratulations, Levi Mkunika, taking the one for FDH Bank. One more time, show some love to Levi, please.
Marketer of the Year. Good stuff.
Now, as we're wrapping up activities for this evening, usually on a yearly basis, it delights the president to issue out some awards as well. We are very, very...
All right, so there's one award left for the Isabel segment of tonight's awards. So, I think in my opening remarks on the first of the conference, I talked about passion and purpose being very important when we look at innovating to elevate. So this goes to someone who I have worked with, who I believe is very passionate about what they do, very resilient. They're very strong. I mean, I wish I had the strength that they had to keep fighting, and I do admire this in them. So my final award tonight goes to my brother, Masia Mazaza.
one more time, congratulations to all individuals that have ended up, to all individuals as well as brands that have walked away with awards this evening, the 2024 Marketing Awards. We celebrate what you do, we appreciate what you do, keep on keeping on and keep on building. So in union, let's all stand and put our hands together for all individuals as well as brands that have walked away with awards this evening. Thank you very much. You may all take your seats. May I humbly ask the incoming president, Mr. George Damson, to come through for his closing remarks.